The first one is click on settings, go to general, scroll, go to background app refresh, and now you can see all the applications which are using your background refresh feature. Either you can go click on this and turn it off for all, or you can individually turn it off. The better way is to individually turn it off. Whichever applications which are important for you, you can leave it as it is. Otherwise, you can just turn it off. Now let's go to the settings again. The second option is limit your location access. Now for this, go to settings, then scroll and go to privacy and security. Now tap on location services. Here also you will see that you have applications and the status, whether they are using your location or not. So only applications which are necessary like Uber, Ola, Google Maps, these are okay to share your location with, but other application you can turn it off. Now the third way with which you can save your battery is disable the push email feature and set it to manual or an interval push. For this you have to go to settings, then you have to go to mail. For this you can directly write mail as well here. Now click on mail accounts and click on fetch new data. Now you have various options: automatically, manually, hourly, 30 minutes and 15 minutes. If your work is not heavy email, then you can go and switch to 15 minutes or 30 minutes. The impact would be that emails would not be pushed instantly, right? As soon as the email comes in the server, they will not be sent to your mobile. So every 30 or 15 minutes it will be sent, and it will save your battery, but it will impact your applications like Gmail or Outlook. Now let's go to the fourth option. Let's go to settings. Now we are going to turn on the auto brightness. For this, go to settings and click on accessibility, and then scroll, click on display and text. Now turn on the auto brightness. Now let's move to the fifth way, that is turn on low power mode. So go to settings, then click on battery, and the second option you can go and click on low power mode. This will make sure that your mobile phone saves as much battery as possible, but it will slow your downloads, paused mail fetch. It may also impact the visual effects as well, but it is a very good battery saver option. And the last option is that you can go and uninstall the applications which are consuming more battery and they are not required. So for that also you have to go to settings and click on battery, and you will get a list of applications here. Like for example, I hear a lot of music on YouTube, so 28% is taken by YouTube, then WhatsApp, then phone, and so on. You can go and check what applications are taking more battery, and accordingly you can uninstall the applications. I hope this summary will help you a lot in saving your iPhone battery. Thank you very much.